To understand this video, you need to watch my previous video first and then this one. Whoever has watched the previous video, what's up guys? Welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise. Abhi just like it's the morning, 6:30 around, yeah. It's 6:30 AM in the morning and I've packed my bags. This one and this one. इसमें पूरा gimbal and tripod वगैरह सब डाला है, इसमें जो regular लगने वाली चीज़ें. So like we will be leaving to Delhi Buddh circuit today itself, and in this video you are going to see me on the Buddh circuit and the cars will be unloading at the Delhi Buddh circuit. So we have got the cab now. Hopefully traffic नहीं लगेगा. We are on the way to airport. सबका बैग छोटा छोटा है मैन, मेरा ही सबसे बड़ा बैग है. We are in the plane now and can't wait to see all the cars at the BIC. Oh, no, I will not. Check out this lineup guys, planes ka lineup. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone. What's up, Delhi? What's up?
Very nice headroom. Very poor headroom. But you can see plenty of legroom.
Four-wheel drive. We don't even need to go on the BIC. We are getting track experience on the road. That's Delhi driving. Going from the right side. JP Greens. Last time wala awesome restaurant and hotel and resort and everything. Nice. After a big long journey, we have reached JP Greens. अभी सामान रखते थोड़ा fresh होते हैं and then let's see what we do. Check out the washroom guys. Bathtub and a shower room. The quality is top notch. Let's check out the view outside the hotel. Oh, this is the view, street view. यहाँ पे कोई supercars दिखने चाहिए अपने. We reached the BIC, and you can already hear the bikes going super fast from the laps. And here you can see all the trucks by which the cars will be unloaded, and we are going to capture all of the footages here. Oh man, that sound. Very excited to go on the BIC and hear these cars on the track. Let's meet Abhineet. Yo. He is owning the Bosch Boxer GTS, which has already came before all the other cars.
We've been testing it on the Yamuna way.
Oh man. Yes. How was the experience on the Yamuna Expressway?
Superb.
We just came from the road. The highway is the best in the India world. I don't know what else.